Hello, DevALMO here on the more excited with the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's learn about fetch with async await. I have here the Pokemon list from the last video. You can check out if you want. Let's turn the code that we did in async await. We have here the code. We just have a h1 and a component named Pokemon list. Inside the component, we have the code. You can check out the card if you want to know everything about it, how I did it. But in here, we can focus just on how we are fetching. First, we are creating state to keep the data from the API, and we are calling a use effect. The use effect itself cannot have a sync right here. This will have an error. This will not work. But we can create a const inside it, and we are creating a function that has a sync await. And this is how we do async await inside a use effect. So we are declaring async right here in the beginning of the function, and every time we are using something that we need to wait, we are adding a wait. So we are creating a constant response that is fetching the data from the API. We are getting a response JSON that is getting the response and transforming and reading the JSON. And we don't need this line, and we are setting the API data and the results inside of it, and this is how we are creating everything. If you want me to explain everything else you see right in here, you can check out the last video. Everything will be truly explained there, but if you want just the async await, this is it. As always, the code will be in the comments. If you like my content, show your support, like, comment, and subscribe. I also have a Patreon. Add me in social media. The links to it are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.